Hello, this is Richard at MoveMobility. This is a new Ram Promaster 2500, a 2019, and it's fitted with 8 seats plus the passenger and driver, and we have a wheelchair ramp in the back, ideal for loading larger heavy wheelchairs. In the back here we have winter tire set and oxygen holders, 2 of them, the first aid kit, the wheelchair restraint system, and we also have an overhead luggage rack which has been customized to hold handbags and small purses. And on the top here we have the extreme heat and air system with the shoulder harness, 5th rail restraint system for wheelchair access. So these seats can be quickly and easily removed to accommodate more wheelchairs, so that you can do a combination of 2 wheelchairs and 8 passengers, up to 10 people in this vehicle. Moving on to the driver area. This is a 159 regular wheelbase with a driver running board, and we have a advanced bull bar on the front with a strobe light and flashing red strobe light. And then inside here we have the electric mirrors and electric windows with folding mirrors. We have the controls for the light bar, and then the controls for the lighting for both the overhead luggage and the interior area. We have the heating system for heat and cool in the back area. This unit is fitted with cruise control. As you see, it's a brand new unit. And across the front here we have the controls for the front air conditioning, other standard features from the Ram Promaster, with the passenger seat and obviously the driver's seat. And then moving through the middle of the vehicle, we have the side running boards for easy access for disabled people. And in the second row in this vehicle we have 3 19-inch seats, so lots of capacity. The second row, third row is again 19-inch seats for lots of capacity and plenty of space. Each seat has got a 3-point harness, and you've got the winter tire set in the rear of the vehicle. And then the fourth row is 2 17-inch seats. As I say, we can remove those to carry more wheelchairs. And again, a view of the seating capacity in this unit from the back. So check out the details on our website, and please call us 877-781-8267 for more information on this brand new, fully fitted, ready to go Ram Promaster 2500 for wheelchair and passenger transportation.